Understanding playback in English. Hello language learners. Today, we'll be diving into a commonly used phrase in English, playback. If you've ever been curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Playback is a phrasal verb that can be broken down into two parts, play and back. Essentially, it means to reproduce a recording so that one can hear or see it again. This can refer to audio, video, or any kind of recorded material. Example, could you play back the recording? I missed what they said. Playback isn't just limited to one scenario. Here are some contexts in which this phrase can be used. 1. Music and audio, when you want to listen to a song or an audio recording again. 2. I love that song. Can you play it back for me? 3. Video, re-watching a movie, clip, or any video material. 4. I didn't catch that scene. Can we play it back? 5. Tech and devices. In technology, especially with devices that record audio or video. 6. This device has a playback feature, allowing you to revisit your favorite moments. 7. Recollecting memories. Sometimes, it's used metaphorically to mean recalling or revisiting a memory. 8. In my mind, I often play back the fun times we had last summer. It's also worth noting that playback can be used as a noun. As a noun, playback refers to the act or process of reproducing a recording. For example, the playback quality of this device is excellent. We hope this video has made the concept of playback clear to you. Remember, it's all about revisiting or reproducing a recorded moment, whether it's audio, video, or even a cherished memory. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Happy learning!